The following graph gives the data about the number of books printed by a printing press. Study the graph carefully and answer the questions that follow. 2250, 5415, 4510, 3450, 1275, 2655. The highest is in this year. It has increased here, decreased, 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 and then increased here. The least was 2014. Just want to get a sense of the number. The smallest number of books sold was 1275. Largest number was 5415. In which year did the books printed register the highest increase over the previous year? It's been an increase only in 2 years, 2011 and 2015. One of these two is our answer. 2011 is 2200 to 5400, increase of more than 3000. 2015 overall number itself is only 2655, not this. This is the answer. The number of books printed in the year 2013 was approximately how many times the number in 2010? 2013 is 3450. 2010 is 2250. 3450 is what into 2250? Or this number is 3450 divided by 2250. The 0 goes off. I think we can divide by a 5. 345 by 5 is 69. 225 by 5 is 45. We can divide by 3 is 23 by 3 by 15. 23 divided by 15. Now we have to find the number. So let's divide 23 by 15. 23 divided by 15 goes one time, 15. 80.5 times 75. 5 remaining. We'll put one more 0. 1.53 something, which is here. What is the approximate percentage decrease in the number of books printed in 2012 over the previous year? 2011 it was 5415. 2012 it is 4510. First we'll find the decrease, then think about percentage decrease. Decrease is 5415 minus 4510. There's 5, 0, 14 minus 5, 9, nothing here. So it has fallen by 905. Right? It has fallen by 905 from 5415. So the percentage decrease is 905 by 5415 into 100. 905, that's both divisible by 5. 905 by 5, 181. 5415 by 5, 1083. So this is 181 by 1083. 181 by 1083 into 100. 18 into 6 is 108. 180 into 6 is 1080. This number is roughly 180 by 1080. Somewhere thereabouts into 100. That is 1/6 of 100 roughly. Right? 1/3 of 100 is 33.33%. 1/6 is 16.7%. We're looking for a choice near this. This works. Luckily, the other choices are far away. The choices were 16.7, 16.73, 16.64. Then we cannot do any of these approximation business. Let us sit and compute and find the decimal and all of that. Now we don't need to do that. We can mark out the answer. What is the total quantity of books printed from the year 2010 till 2015? The choices are all close by, not far away. Write down the numbers and add them. 2250, 5415, 4510, 3450, 1275, 2655. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 13, 20, 25. 5, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 13, 17, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 5, 2, 4, 9, 13, 16, 17, 19. 19555. This number.